Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making an easy meat sauce for spaghetti. So as you guys can see, today we're making spaghetti and meat sauce. So easy and so delicious. If you would like to see it, you know what to do. Keep on watching, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. As usual, it will be in the description box for you guys with the measurement and all. But here I have about 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. I have 1 clove of garlic. I minced it myself. And here I have a tablespoon of fresh parsley. Alright, and there I have all of the seasoning that I'll be using. I have a teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and I have a teaspoon of dry thyme, and also I have my salt in there as well. And over there, I have the seasoning also. I have 1 tablespoon of better than bouillon right there. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And on the right or the left, I'm not sure, it might be your right, I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. That's very optional if you want to add sugar. And here I have some red onions, about a cup. And on the far right, you guys can see my ground beef. I have a little bit over a pound of ground beef, and the sauce that I'm using is this one right here, Italian sausage by the brand Bertolli, and this is the spaghetti that I'll be using. First thing I'm going to be doing is boil my spaghetti according to the packaging. Once my spaghetti is cooked, it's al dente, I am going to remove it from the stove, pour out the hot water so we can stop the cooking process, and pour some cold water on there. As y'all can see, it's nice and cooked. Okay, we're going to move on to the meat sauce. This is where all the flavor is going to be coming from. So first thing I'm going to be doing is start cooking my ground beef. You're going to cook the ground beef until it's no longer pink before you start adding any type of seasoning. All right? Now also I'm using a wooden spoon to break the ground beef. Now before you add the ground beef onto your pot, make sure it's not hot, okay? That way you can prevent the ground beef from crumble together. Okay, so as you guys can see, I discard the excess water or grease if you have any. Now is the perfect time to start adding your garlic and the rest of your seasoning. So I'm adding the garlic, the onion, and as well as the all of the rest of the seasoning. But before I continue, guys, if you are new to my channel, you haven't considered to subscribe yet, I'm asking you right now is the perfect time to subscribe. If you like this video, you will enjoy all of my videos. So if you like this one, be sure to subscribe because there's plenty more recipes like this one you're watching today. And plus, on this channel, we eat good all day, every day. So you don't want to miss out. Subscribe and tune post notification on. And make sure to turn on the post notification. Now I'm going to be adding my parsley, all of my dry seasoning, mix it together, cook the onion, cook the garlic. Next, I'm going to be adding my tomato sauce. Just pour that in, just like that. And also, I'm going to add 1 to 2 cups of water in the tomato jar to pour it in there. Okay, shake it. You don't want to waste or lose anything. Just shake it and pour it in there, just like that. Now we're going to give it a stir. Now is the time to taste it to see if you need anything else, like seasoning wise. But if you don't, we're going to cover this and let it simmer on medium-high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. While that is cooking, I'm going to start to make my garlic bread. Garlic bread is so good, y'all, especially with pasta. I love me some garlic bread. So we're going to make some. First thing I'm going to be doing is cut my bread. I believe the bread that I'm using is French bread. I got mine from Publix. Now I have some garlic. I believe this is about 3 cloves of garlic, minced. And I also have a tablespoon of chopped parsley, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now make sure the butter is room temperature, nice and soft. Okay, so first thing I'm going to be doing is add my butter to a bowl. Then we're going to be adding the garlic, parsley in there. Once you have that all mixed together just like so, then you're going to take your bread and just spread the butter all over the bread just like so. Now you can toast the bread in the oven if you like, but I am going to be using an air fryer for this recipe to make the process easier. So once I'm done adding the butter all over the bread, we're going to pop it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. For about 10 minutes on 375. And the air fryer that I'm using, it's actually brand new. Okay, not sponsored. I will leave the link below on my Amazon store if for those of you who might be interested. Okay, it's brand new and it works so good. It's bigger than the one I had before, so yay. So I will leave the link below if you are interested on this one. And let me know down below, are you guys a big fan of garlic bread? Because I am. I love me some buttery garlic bread. Look how good they turn out. Perfect. Don't overcook it. Don't make it too crispy. I hate burned garlic bread, okay? So by now, y'all can see how saucy our meat sauce is. If there's any grease on top, just remove it, scoop it out. And basically your meat sauce is done. You can add some chili flakes on there to make it spicy if you love spicy. And don't forget your little sugar. You can add that in there as well. Now, basically this is the recipe. Sprinkle your cheese on top, mozzarella cheese or Parmesan cheese, whatever cheese you do like on top of your spaghetti. And basically this is the recipe, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you want to try it. This is a quick dinner. In less than 30 minutes you'll be ready eating dinner. Okay, so let me know if you want to try it. Don't forget to give it a big like for me if you enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye.